So we're here in Jeju Stone Park. I don't know why they said Stone Park. It's not Stone Park, it's Rock Park. So another, I think it's a lake. Look at this view. Nice, right? I think it's going to rain in the part over there. We're so early actually. We have arrived in Jeju. It's like 7 a.m. Departure in our place like 2:30 a.m. So this actually not these people, actually we are so tired actually. Just left for like few hours. So nandito tayo sa Eco Park. Actually maraming station. Nandito tayo sa first station ng Jeju Eco Park. Look at that. Photo spot daw to. Ang ganda nga naman. Ano siya? Hotel. Tapos dun bakery. Ganda. Are we going to try that? That boat? Don't want to? Okay. So, ito na yung dagat ng Jeju. Ayun naman. Summer nandito kaya marami. Hindi yan dumi. Mga halaman dagat. Ganda, di ba? Dami mga turista dito. Mga incheck, mga Amerikano. Nasa ano tayo? Actually, Jeju-do pero nasa part ng Odo. Medyo maalon.